Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your day 1 fire weather outlook. There's an elevated fire weather area today that encompasses parts of northeastern and east central Montana, most of North Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota for the elevated fire weather risk. So in synopsis, behind the departing eastern U.S. trough, a strong northwesterly flow aloft will develop over the central U.S., north of a cutoff low over the west coast. A shortwave trough embedded within the northwest flow will move south of Canada, deepening a surface cyclone near the international border. A cold front tied to the low will also move, with dry conditions and strong winds associated with it. Northern Plains. An upper-level shortwave trough is forecast to deepen as it moves out of southern Canada into the northern U.S. today and tonight. At the surface, an associated low will intensify as it traverses south-central Canada. The low is forecast to deepen as it moves eastward across southern Canada, promoting dry and breezy conditions ahead of a southward progressing cold front. Gusty winds of 23 miles per hour are expected, along with relative humidity below 25%. Widespread dry and breezy conditions over a dry fieldscape should promote elevated fire weather potential. Some brief, locally critical conditions are also possible given the stronger gusts over parts of western North Dakota and eastern Montana. However, high clouds and marginal relative humidity values should limit the aerial and temporal extent of the more critical conditions. Southern Plains. Dry and breezy southerly flow is expected over parts of western Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle south of a shortwave trough. South and southwest gusts of 20-25 miles per hour are possible during the afternoon. Afternoon relative humidity values are expected to decrease to below 20% near a deepening lee cyclone. This could support some localized fire weather concerns in pockets of dry fuels that have not received recent rainfall nor transitioned to green up. Notably, a very small region of the far northeastern Texas Panhandle, eastern Oklahoma Panhandle, and northwestern Oklahoma have not seen measurable precipitation in the last 30 days, with minimal, if any, transition to green up or high fuel loading exists. However, the high cloud cover throughout the afternoon and the confined nature of the receptive fuels should limit broader fire weather concerns. Still, the gusty winds and dry conditions will likely support drying of fuels in the days 2 and 3. So, that's your day 1 fire weather outlook. Remain safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. Because all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit, because one, that's littering, which is illegal and unsafe, and you can get a fine from littering if you get caught. And two, all it takes is a little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, stay safe and vigilant in the areas today, and I'll have my day 1 severe weather outlook very soon. Take care.